Hi boys and girls, Miss Bradshaw here again for writing today. Today we are going to celebrate our series that we have written so far. So today you need both of your pieces. So Miss Bradshaw has Gretchen in the tree fort, and I also have my other one, Gretchen Goes to the Beach. You need both of your stories today. And here's what you're going to do to celebrate our series writing. First thing you need to do is you need to come up with a name for your series. Kind of like Henry and Mudge, that's the name of that series. Magic Treehouse, that's the name of that series. Miss Bradshaw's going to name hers the Gretchen series because mine's all about adventures that Gretchen has. So in the Gretchen series, here's what you're going to do once you come up with a name. You are going to, if you have a phone or a tablet or a device, and mom and dad can help you with this, I want you to, if you can, record you telling me your series. So you're going to record yourself reading your two stories to me, and then you're going to post it on the discussion. So here's how we're going to post it. We're going to go to the discussion. Miss Bradshaw already has it up here. And you're going to go over here to this little play button right here. And when you click on that, you're going to click on My Computer. Once you get to My Computer, you're going to choose File. And then you're going to find your story where you have saved it on your computer. So Miss Bradshaw's, I already recorded mine, is right here. Gretchen series. I'm going to click Open. Then I'm going to click this blue Upload button. Might take a minute. Might take a long time because it is a recording that's kind of longer. Miss Bradshaw's was, I think, 3 minutes long. So this might take a while. When you're done clicking Upload, it will be in the discussion post, and then you just have to click Save and Close. If you do not have access to a device that has a camera and a microphone, or a camera and a recording, like a phone or a tablet, Miss Bradshaw just went to the camera and I took a video of me reading it. If you do not have a device that can do that, you can take a picture of your story and post it, or if you can't do that either, you can just read your series to somebody in your home. Okay, can't wait to read all of your series. Bye guys.